Hello and welcome to our one-bedroom villa here at Marriott Grande Vista in Orlando, Florida. Right as you enter the unit, we have a nice sized kitchen here. It has everything that you could need: a double sink, a dishwasher, full-size fridge, microwave, stove, all the cutlery that you need. Has coffee, creamers, salt and pepper, and then in here is the washer and dryer. And they also offer detergent for you as well. Anything else that you run out of in your villa, you can always call down and they will bring you additional supplies. The sink also comes with dish soap. It comes with pods for your dishwasher, sponge, and there's a drying rack in there too. This is a really nice kitchen. It has a nice little bar stool over here for two kids to eat breakfast. Heading right off of the entranceway, you have kind of a Jack and Jill bathroom. So if you want to head in there, it has a double vanity, your toilet, and then a really nice sized closet over here in the corner, as well as some extra bedding up top. Going back into the kitchen area. So as I mentioned, this is a one-bedroom villa, but if you were to do a two-bedroom lock-off, the studio would be on the other side of the door over there. In this little closet is just a pantry closet with an additional trash can. If you're staying for a longer period of time, you have a nice little pantry. And then heading into the main living space, we have a nice little dinette set over here that can seat 6, and then we have a pull-out sofa in the corner. Really nice lighting. This unit has just been redone within the past year or so. 2 additional chairs over here. We're on the 2nd floor in building 79, and it does have a good storage space as well. It has a bunch of outlets and USB plugs, as well as USB-C, and there's a couple more that are attached to the lamps. The couch does open up into a full-size bed. I thought there was storage in there. So we are on the 2nd floor in the building 79, which is Madrid. Heading into the master bedroom area, we have a really nice size writing desk over there in the corner. So a really nice size writing desk over there in the corner, a king size bed. Definitely enough room and enough storage in here to kind of spread out for a period of time. Some additional USB ports, power outlets, flat screen TV, and more storage space over here. We have a nice size closet with an ironing board and an ironing there, and this is also where you'd find your safe. Safe is definitely big enough for a laptop, but you kind of have to stand it up in there. And then this is one of my favorite features. I love this barn door. And it has a soft close. This little nook over here is just a little vanity area. And then a really generous sized walk-in shower with a rain head. And it kind of flows right back into the bathroom, so it's a big circle here in the unit. All right, so let's head out and just give you a little view of our balcony. So again, building number 79, we are in Madrid. I do love that this balcony is screened off from the bugs, but also as a safety feature for children. It's also like inset, so it's protected from any wind or rain. It doesn't hang over. It has a fan outside, and it has a really nice seating area. And then right across the way, we have a view of the lobby, as well as the main pool over there. You can fish in this lake, you can rent paddle boards, you can rent kayaks, you can rent swans. There's tons of stuff to do here at this property. They have lots of activities for children. I know the kids did a Build-A-Bear the last time that we were here. They have a whole sports court, they have a playground, they have a golf course, a really nice golf course if you're a golfer. They just have tons and tons of amenities. They have a Starbucks on property, a couple of different restaurants here on site. So again, we're at the Marriott Grande Vista here in Orlando, Florida. If you're interested in staying off property at Disney World, if you're interested in staying at a Marriott Vacation Club, please reach out to us. This is definitely something that we can book for you, and it'll offer you a little bit of extra space for your Disney vacation. You can find us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and safe travels!